Sorry, buddy.
You
No,
will
not
be-
not too much, Marilyn. Please don't take it all.
It's okay. See, his allergy.
Oh my goodness.
His allergy needs to be remediated.
Oh my goodness. It's not like just
How much did we pay for that?
345.
How much is that in pesos?
15,000 something. 17,000.
Guys, 17,000 pesos. Yan lang. Dumi. Like seriously? Sa atin pa, ano na yan? Kagawa ka na ng kaunting balong-balong dyan. I'm not happy. Kakainis. Bakit ang mahal-mahal dito? Guys, alam niyo, wala na talaga kami pera. Ha?
Come up and look at it though.
I'm not happy with that.
Marilyn, it's more than it looks to you. You gotta.
Yes, ito lang, 17,000 pesos na. This is a joke and 1/4. Like seriously, mahal-mahal. Ay. Di ba sa atin libre lang ito. Magbungkal ka lang ng lupa doon sa atin, libre na. Dito, pang ano, yung prices niya parang makatayo ka na ng bahay kubo. Ay, America.
Yeah, white thing over there.
Ha?
There's white garbage. That's me.
Yeah, that's fine.
Let me go look for some of
I
that.
wonder how much is our water bill.
Well, we were paying a minimum. I don't know. Hopefully it's not. It's a minimum.
Tapos itong ano guys, grass.
I'm taking showers here. It's not bad.
We have to water the edges because they're brown.
You can try to turn that on higher if you want.
Okay. Balik tayo sa karpentera doon sa loob. Tadang! Finally. Tapos ko na itong area na ito. Hallelujah! Tapos na yung sa front. Wait. Tapos na din bandang doon. Ito na lang yung ating gagawin. This area here, then going that way. Tapos, nagkamali ako dyan. So, kailangan ko yung ayusin. And then after that, enough of this house joke. Napapagod na talaga ako. So, if you can see here guys, may mga 1/4 of an inch gaps dyan. Tapos, gaps dyan. And also, dito mayroong gaps. Kasi, yung klima dito sa Amerika is, pag malamig, tapos sobrang init-init. So, pag malamig, nagsishrink itong mga hardwood floors natin. Tapos, pag mainit during summertime, nag-i-expand siya. So, kailangan talagang may little space na bakante para sa kanyang kinabukasan. Joke. Para pag mag-expand siya, may space siya na makaka-expandan. Tama ba yung hirap talagang magtagalog? Tingnan niyo yung asawa ko. Borg, your nose.
You want this off now?
Not yet, because I'm just marveling the beauty of our... Hey, can we switch on our chandelier over here? Can't believe we have so many lights in this house. Ta-ding!
Too many lights.
Yeah, but I like a well-lighted house, so... Oh, there's more in the hallway. Just for fun. Hallelujah! So yan, tapos dito pa sa ulo ko. Tapos, punta tayo doon sa aming bedroom. So, yan yung aming kusina. Na napakalikabok pa. Tapos, ito na ang aming bedroom na kailangan po. Alright. May may baseboard na kami. So, yan, baseboard. And then it would go all the way around. Oh, I did not know about this. Wow, that this is already here. I thought that's the only one over there.
We gotta repair.
Yeah.
Because he said
Why?
the carpet.
It looks fine to me.
Like something in the carpet, like.
Oh,
Scratch the
okay.
walls.
Yeah. Well, it's just the way it is. As long as we have remaining paint, then we should be fine. Tapos, and then barn door. Do you know where our barn door went? It's inside. Yeah, there's my lovely husband. So,
Good night, everyone.
good night. Kanina pa lang siya uwi na tayo, malapit ng mag-midnight. Tapos hindi pa ako tapos. Tapos,
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
sabi niya, umaga akong complain na, tatawag na yung police ng mga neighbors natin kasi ang ingay-ingay mo, kaduk-duk-duk-duk ng martelyo. But anyway, did you switch off the air compressor?
Yes, I did.
Thank you. So, yung mga cabinets doon, transfer ko yan sa bedroom. Once matapos na yung bedroom, tapos yung brown dyan, that is my coffee buffet. At doon ko ilalagay. Slowly but surely. Itong aking kusina. Munting kusina. Tapos yan yung siya. Ang dami pa actually.
Turn that one on too.
Dami pang mga maliliit na dapat asikasuin.
You forgot that one.
Anyway. Show off yung asawa ko. Pinakita niya yung puno na alikabok na pendant lights.
It's not very bright, but
Yeah, well, we can have it on the
that
entire
bulb
night.
can be brighter too.
Alright, nakalimutan ko na kung anong day ito. Probably day 13. Kasi hindi ako palaging pumupunta dito everyday. But ito na po. Yay. Woot woot woo. So, nagsistart na ako dito. Tapos, guess what? Guys, sinira ko ang bahay namin. Tingnan niyo, na ko. I saw it. Paano kasi ang hirap. But anyway, bahala na si Batman dyan. Aayusin niya ni Dan. Thank God for Dan. So, yan na po. And then, tapos na po ako doon. And then dyan, tinatamad akong ayusin dyan. But ito na lang yung kulang. Tapos, nag-start na ako dito. And alam nyo guys, tinatamad na naman akong tapusin ito. Gusto kong mag-start ng linen cabinet dito. Shh. Diyan. Before we put in our railing here. Pero ewan ko. Ang alam ko I'm really tired right now and hungry. But, see you tomorrow, alligator. Kawawa itong front facade ko. Linagyan ko ng solar light. Hindi naman pala napakaliwanag, but it's okay. Ek lang. Yan. Yan yung lights namin in the front. So, pag madadrive ka, you know how dark it is on the road. At least, may kaunting lights dito. Yan. Para makita mo kung saan ka liliko sa driveway. Pag hindi pa nailawan yung bahay tapos gabi ka nang umuwi. Although, yung front light namin is naman siya, digital. So, we can switch it on anywhere we are. Kahit na wala kami sa bahay, pwedeng mag-switch on. So, we're happy. Guys, tingnan nyo itong pusa ko. My gosh, kinakalbo ko siya kasi may seasonal allergy sila. Tapos, wala naman silang kuto. Kaya lang, ewan ko kung ano nangyari. Wow, naman itong pusa ko. Palagi na lang siyang I don't know how many. Minsan nakakaawa talaga kasi natutulog na siya doon sa litter box niya. I don't know, siguro true is yung itchiness niya. Buti na lang hindi siya takot sa razor. Kasi parang allergy season ata ngayon. Tapos yung ibang pusa ko, kinakalbo ko din. Kaya lang takot sila sa takot sila sa sound ng shaver ng asawa ko. Kaya yan.
Napakabihib naman itong pusa ko. Ikaw ay magiging isang Lion King na ngayon. Ika lang. Huwag kang malikot para hindi gaspang-gaspang yung haircut mo. Raise your head, baby boy. Tingnan, pakita mo yung pagkagwapo mo sa audience. Paano sila makakita ng pag-shave ko ayaw mong tumalikod. Dami na guys
Sorry, buddy. No, not too much, Marilyn. Please, don't take it all.
It's okay. See, his allergy.
Oh my goodness.
His allergy needs to be remediated.
Oh my goodness. I don't.
And also in his stomach, he has lots of allergies too. Good thing he's not afraid of the razor.
Oh my goodness.
He'll be okay. Relax.
When is this forever gonna go back, though? I wish you would do this.
See,
Come on.
he's itchy. We need to buy the medicine board. He likes it because it's being scratched.
Don't take it all, please.
I really, you know, there are dogs that are really getting, like they really bald them, remove all their hair because they are matted. That's normal. It's better this way than he hasn't like slept for how many nights now? Probably how many weeks? It's time to give him relief. Poor thing.
Yeah, but look at him now.
Well, it's okay.
Come on, don't take it all off.
Yan, kalbo ka na. Wala namang siyang kuto. Grabe lang talaga yung allergy niya. Tapos, ang hirap na isprayhan ng anti-allergen or anti-itch spray kasi ang kapal ng balahibo niya. So, yan, tingnan niyo yung allergy niya. Kawawa naman. Nagagalit yung asawa ko bakit ko daw siya pinalbo. Ganun talaga. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Tapos, dito kami sa katre, dito kami sa bedroom nagkakalbo sa kanya kasi amas girl ito ayaw niyang mapalayo sa akin. So, yan. Tapos itong mga kumot na ito, good thing may washer kami, washer and dryer. So, matatanggalan, syempre, tatapon ko yung mga buhok niya doon sa labas. Tapos, washer and dryer itong kumot namin, matatanggal lahat yung mga lint, yung mga balahibo niya. Tingnan nyo, wala talaga siyang kuto guys, but ang dami niyang allergy. Tapos ilang araw or weeks na siguro na he's been like suffering to the point that like before, linigo ko na ito, pinaliguan ko ito the other night. Kala ko mawawala yung itch niya, tapos sinampuhan ko siya ng anti-fleas ba? Wala naman siyang fleas. Allergy lang talaga. Kawawa naman itong pusa ko. Kaya pala kamot siya ng kamot, tapos wala siyang kuto guys. What is this? Ayaw niya kasing paanuhin. Di pa shave yung tiyan niya. Kaya wala akong choice. Pero, madali na lang itong spray. Tapos, hindi na siya kamot-kamot dito. Doon na lang siya sa kanyang kamay. Yung kung saan may yung may balahibo. You're allergic to your own hair? Seriously, cat? So, spray ko muna itong anti-allergy nila. So, yan yung anti-allergy nila, cat wound and skin care. So, hopefully, ma-okay na siya. Ang daming allergy. So, ito na si Dusty ngayon. Tapos, nagising ako guys. Nanginginig siya. Nanginginig siya kasi malamig na dito. Tapos, wala na siyang fur na magka-cover sa kanya. Kaya, nanginginig siya. Giniginaw siya. So, hinabulan ko na lang siya. Linagyan ko ng kumot. Tapos, mamaya punta ako doon sa store para bili ng coat niya. Para hindi na siya lalamigin. Naku guys, si Cory, frustrated siya kasi, I want my cat back. Kasi pumapangit na daw si Dusty. Ganon talaga, sorry Dusty, but nakakaawa kasi palagi na lang kamot ng kamot. But anyway, I hope he will get better soon. Ito na ang baby namin. Oo, kasi giniginaw siya kanina. Was it kanina or kahapon? Yeah, kanina. When I woke up, he was with me. Palagi kasi itong nakadikit sa akin. Tapos nanginginig siya kasi wala na siyang balahibo. So, yun, giniginaw siya. Kaya binilhan namin ng t-shirt, happy, what's that? Whole Owen. Kasi dapat, para sa aso yan, dapat Kaso lang napakataba mo kasi para ka na ring aso. Dusty, are you okay? You okay, Banberg?
What does his jacket say?
Happy Halloween.
He's purring. Poor guy. Dusty! Where's your Dusty? He's probably not used to that at all.
Dapat i-adjust itong t-shirt niya kasi maliit. You cannot walk? Palagi lang talaga siya dito sa bedroom. Buti na lang dito sa bedroom kaysa sa niya, litter box niya, yung saan sila umuuo. Doon siya palaging naka-standby before. Kasi siguro dahil sa kati niya. Kaya yan. Wawa naman. Yan yung medicine niya at medicine ko. Dude. Yan. Pag dumadating ako dito sa bahay, yan yung gagawin niya. Nakapatong sa mukha ko. Okay. Okay, enough, dude. Enough. Oh. You okay? You okay? Huwag mo ako i-kiss. Okay? Oh. Parang nilalamig siya, nanginginig. Poor thing niya. Kailangan may blanket. Okay, blanket tayo. Nagba-blanket tayo. Yan. Feeling better? Feeling better, cat? Dusty girl, the dusty girl. So, ganito yung ano namin, mga gabi namin. Palaging nakatapot. Palaging nakadikit sa akin.